Check, check, check. It is Wednesday, April 6th, 2022. And in the pre-market, we are gapping down. More Ukraine fears and worries. And we have a lot of red all over the board. And some large names cracking some large levels. And here's Rivian. Rivian cracking through. I think I'm going to borrow some more Rivian. I think, how much does that cost? Yeah, let's do that. It's pretty cheap. So there's that spot from yesterday. And DWAC cracked. So 44 low a day DWAC. Back to StarBUX. And I'm thinking this 42 on Rivian against 42.40. Let's go ahead and get that 42 against 42.40. See if we can get that. I'm up at 97 cents there. So basically expecting for this, or looking for rather, for this level to be defended. Let's see if we can get a swing back up to this area here. There's AFRM on lows. And StarBUX is on lows too. I'm going to reset that low a day and go back to StarBUX. And I'm not sure if I'll get this Rivian. There's StarBUX on lows. And I do like that very much. And I think that level right there, 82.90 against this 83.20. Gonna put that order in as well up here in StarBUX. Let's see if I can get this pop to get filled in Rivian. There's save on highs. Ripping up, I do want to keep track of that. I'm going to set the high day and swing back over to StarBUX. Let's see if I can get filled in the StarBUX on a retest. So far this Rivian is very weak, not popping back up at all. Reset the low a day alert there. This Rivian's right on lows. Does not look like I'm going to get it. BABA coming in. And BABA now breaking down from that level. And this level here between these two nodes against this area here. So 107.40 is against the 80s. Gonna go for it on that. See if we get that. It is on lows here. Not sure if I'm gonna get that. I might need to chase it down to 107. What was that? DWAC also breaking down. Need to keep an eye on that. So right now I have BABA that I'm offering out in the 107s. I've got StarBUX that I'm offering out at up here, and then I've got Rivian, which came up to 91 cents just now, and I was at 97, and I did not get filled. Wow. Microsoft hitting lows and breaking down. Let's keep an eye on that as well. And that Rivian is unfortunate. Let's see if I can. There's NVIDIA on highs, which is interesting, and I'm very close to getting filled on this Rivian. Did not get it there. Curious about this Microsoft on highs. I think that was a false late print. Yeah. So let's look at BABA. Apple's on lows. Let's keep an eye on Apple. Let's go back to BABA. And I came twice very close to this Rivian. Very close. Well, I'm right on the offer here at 97 cents, and I did not get it. It actually printed 97s, and I did not get filled. There's AFRM on lows. AFRM coming into that support level. Definitely looking weak. Where is that support level? And this Rivian is just not getting filled up there. This AFRM, I want to reset my low a day alert. 17, yeah, we can put that as low a day. There's BABA and Rivian. I have both BABA and Rivian. I got filled at BABA at 46 cents. I got filled with BABA at 46 cents, but not for my whole size. And then the low a day is 106.61. So we'll see if we get anything there. Got a couple of things hitting lows here. BABA's flushing down here very quickly. I'm going to go ahead and just take this as it's coming. And then set a stop for 107.40 or 50 actually. So I think this is going to go and crack lows here. And then this Rivian is coming down as well. Looking for lows. It did get down to the 60s. Let's see if this Rivian can make a run for lows. Lows are at 40 cents. Let's see if we can get anything down there at 40 cents. I'm trying to take half off here at 42 cents. Didn't get it. Don't like that. Moved up to 44 cents. Let's see if they pound a bit again. Got it there. So I have half of my Rivian left. Let's see if they go ahead and crack lows. They do. They went ahead and cracked lows. Let's see how much further they go. Just everything hitting lows here. Gonna set a break even on this up here. I'm not looking to take a loss on that anymore. And on this BABA, I kind of want to reload actually. I wonder if I can get any more. Up at 46 cents. And Rivian, looking for it to crack lows here. Whole market's just coming in hard. But she's not cracking lows right now. So you need to be mindful of that as well. Yeah, big pop there. Not cracking lows down there. Market is very heavy. Pop back up. This BABA looks like it is going to break through lows here. I'm going to try to cover another piece down near low a day. And actually, it looks like I just got filled on SBUX. This Rivian is popping back up. I'm going to quickly take a peek at Starbucks. I did get filled up there. And I do like that. I do like that very much. Got a 95-cent average, and I'm going to look to cover half of that into lows. And then I'm going to go back over to Rivian. And Rivian popping all the way back up here. Quite a few positions on at this point in time. The one I'm concerned about is this Rivian, which is popping up, but I like the daily, and the Starbucks popped all the way back up here. But I do want to hold on to that because it is quite broken right here. It's quite broken. And if I can get some covers off down here near lows, then I should be in pretty good shape. But I don't really want to mess with it either. This BABA is just kind of flirting around. Starbucks, let's see if it can come down and retest lows. Looks like BABA has popped all the way back up here. It's okay though. I got most of my size off in BABA. I'd like to see the Starbucks come down and actually fill me down in the 60s. But I'm not seeing it quite yet. So I might just take the money and run. We'll see. Let's see if we can get some selling in this. Okay, 70s there. Let's see if we can get some more selling. Stalling out right here. Let's try again. We're very close to lows here on this. And let's go over and look at Rivian. Now Rivian's close to lows as well. I'd like to see this Rivian crack through lows. There's low a day on Rivian. We're on lows right now on Rivian. And there's lows. I'm going to cover one more. Didn't get it. Did not get it. And this Starbucks coming right back, and I don't like that. I don't like that. It never went to retest lows. And that makes me nervous. So, I'm going to watch this Starbucks pretty carefully here. Want to see it come down into the 70s. Got the other Rivian, so I'm down to one Rivian. I really would like to see the Starbucks come back in. Here we are in the 70s again, and if it doesn't go this time, I mean, everything's on lows, like everything's on lows. All the major players are on lows, so I'd like to still hold on to this, but it's just not going down. And market's on lows over here, and Starbucks isn't, so that is concerning to me. And I'm about to cut this Starbucks off because I don't like the way it's trading. See one more time to try to get down to the 70s. They're hitting it, and here's the 70s again. Let's see, can we get down to the low 70s and finally break down to lows? And BABA, looks like I got stopped out on. BABA, yep. Okay, Rivian, here's the 70s on Starbucks. Let's see if we can break down. If not, I'm going to start taking size off. Need to see this bid come down into the 60s. That's better here. I'd like to see them pound it. Going once, going twice. Can we get a 60 bid, 69 bid? And no, they're not really taking it. I'm going to take half off right there. I don't like the way this Starbucks is going. And I'm setting a 95 break even, so I'm not going to lose money on this Starbucks. I'm going to set a low a day alert on the Starbucks as well. There's Rivian low a day, still going down. Low a day is 24 cents. We're down here at 24. I'm going to see if I can get a flush down to the low 40s, or below 41 rather. Starbucks, what are you going to do here? It's just not going to retest lows. There's 60s. Can we get an offer that stays below 60? We can't, or below 70. We can. Let's see if we can make a run at these lows. No, we can't. I don't like that. You know what? I'm gonna cover another one here. I just don't like the way that this thing is trading, and I'm setting another break-even stop. I just don't like the way that it's trading. If it cracks, it cracks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And here comes a pop on this Rivian. Here comes Starbucks. Now that I've gotten out of most of my size, I'm down to a quarter position. We are approaching lows. So quite a few different alerts went off. In this Rivian, my break even up there, but I want to see if we can get down there. It's going to pop up. It's going to take me out for my last quarter position. This Starbucks, I love the daily, but it's just not going down. Rivian is sitting at the support level, coming to retest. Hasn't quite broken it yet. Starbucks just, okay, here, a couple cents away from lows. Two pennies off of lows. I'm only down to a quarter position here. Apple on lows. Going to take a partial below low a day here on Starbucks and then let the other eighth of the position run. Rivian, just don't know. It's back down here on lows, but if it doesn't crack lows here, then low day. There's low a day on Starbucks. Can we get down? Here's 2 cents away from lows on Rivian. Can we get down? Starbucks never broke. Never broke. Rivian right on lows. There's Starbucks. It did break. I did get filled right there. I have 50 shares left, 1/8 of my position on Starbucks. And at this point, I'm just break-evening on that last piece and looking for it to run down into 82, basically. In fact, I'm just going to set in case it flushes. Let's see if this Rivian, it's a penny off of lows. It's on lows. Can we crack through lows here? Looking for a crack and run down to 41. Starbucks continuing to go lower. And Rivian can't crack through lows. Getting very close to my final cover on this Rivian's popping. Yeah, sitting right on that support level. Might just take this Rivian. Let's see if I can try one more time. 12-cent spread, that's really odd. And Starbucks. Trying. Starbucks coming back down. Micron on lows. Starbucks only a few pennies off of lows here. Starbucks popping off that low right here. This Rivian's acting really odd. Just chopping around. Starbucks popping all the way back up. Trying to get some Rivian off here. At 41, but not getting filled. I think I might just take it. It's acting really oddly. Really oddly. Let me try again here. Can I get it? I was at 37. I didn't get it. Wow. Crazy bounce. Well, there's NVIDIA hitting pre-market lows. Starbucks coming back down to lows. I'm going to try one more time here on Rivian. I did get it there, so there we go. And can we get another flush? Rivian hit lows briefly. Starbucks 3 pennies off of lows. That was a reload opportunity on Starbucks right there. Can this Rivian crack and go take a run at 41? Starbucks, just a few pennies off of lows. Here's Rivian on lows. Can she crack down? There's new lows. Can we make a run for 41? Can we? Can we? Can we? Down below the hole. I'm at 90, what am I at, 93 cents? Let's see if we can make a run down there. Red ticker is running pretty healthily. I think we are going to go run at that 41 and take a look at the other side. Here's 41. DWAC continuing to move down. I don't like that this 9-cent this offer won't step down. Why won't they step down? Seller won't press. Yeah, they actually lifted. Just not a tight spread. They're not hitting it as hard as... There we go, at 95, and I was at, what, 93? Did not get filled. 94, 95, 93. I am flat Rivian right there. And Starbucks did not make new lows. I think I'm going to just call it and be done for the morning. The Starbucks did not make new lows. I think what I'll do is actually let this just run as a runner and wait for some positive delta to come in. Let's see if we can crack it now. Oh, and there goes Rivian. There's the easy money. Wow, another 40 cents. And we're just really heavy. And the Starbucks just won't get down. It won't crack lows. This Rivian continuing to crack. Going to give Starbucks another chance to crack this 23. I do like this setup. I have almost no size left, but it's just not breaking down. Let's go ahead and put Starbucks over here. Take a look at everything else that's happening today. AMD, pretty big sell-off. Wow. Apple, not as much. Save did crack through highs and then came down. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA also cracking now. Micron, big dropout. Wow. At this point, I'm not willing to risk back up to 95 cents for this. just to make another 20 cents. See if we can get it here, otherwise I might just take it right here. Let's see if we can get it on this push down. Can we actually crack lows here? Otherwise I'm just going to set my stop above 45 cents. Here's lows. Can we crack lows this time on Starbucks? Yeah, this micron is broken. It looks like this 72 level. Starbucks broke very quickly. Only a couple cents away. I'm down at 11 cents here. Let's see if we can get filled. 16, 15, 19. I'm getting calls from work here to go. So I need to wrap this up here and then get going. Might just take it here, although we're only 9 cents away. I think I am going to just take this one and wrap up my morning. Going once, going twice. I'm just taking it. All right, done for the day, or done for the morning here, and wrapping it up.